To manage a successful small business inventory, be it event inventory, construction inventory, or home staging inventory, knowing what stock, equipment, and supplies you have on hand and where they are deployed is crucial. Nestec has a variety of stock reports so you can see where your items are and which items you are short of or have excess of. Let's generate a stock report now. From the More screen, tap on Data and then Reports. Tap on Generate New Report. Here we are able to choose the type of the report we want, the page size to print it on, and the data we want in the report. Let's go to select the report type. We have many report types to choose from: stock level reports, transaction reports, lending and borrowing reports, and item expiration reports. We will choose stock level by location. For page size, you can choose between US letter and A4. For data selection, we are going to choose the location, Biltmore Estates, Ashley and Doug's wedding. Tap Next. Okay, the report is generated. Let's take a look. All the items at this location are listed here. The location column tells you the location or sublocation where the item is located. The ideal quantity and actual quantity columns tell you how much you want to have and how much you actually have. The differential column gives the percentage of the quantity you want to what you actually have. A differential greater than 0 means you have a surplus of the items. A negative differential indicates low or out of stock, so you will want to add stock for those items. Nestec stock reports are easy to generate and helps you stay on top of your equipment and supplies so you can serve your customers and grow your business.